Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stabilized footage into Premiere Pro smoothly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by importing your stabilized footage into Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Navigate to the media browser panel on the left-hand side. Locate the folder containing your stabilized video files. Drag and drop the footage into the project panel to import it. Once imported, double-click on the footage to open it in the source monitor. Review your footage to ensure it is stable and ready for editing. Next, create a new sequence by clicking on the New Item button. Select the sequence option from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate sequence settings that match your footage. Now, drag your stabilized clip from the project panel to the timeline. If your footage needs further adjustments, use the Effect Controls panel to make changes. Apply any additional filters or effects to enhance your video. To make color corrections, navigate to the Lumetri Color panel. Adjust the settings according to your preferences for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Once you are satisfied with the edits, review the entire sequence in the program monitor. If necessary, make final adjustments to the video to ensure a smooth flow. Finally, export your project by going to File and selecting Export. Choose the desired export settings that fit your project requirements. Click Export to save your stabilized footage in the preferred format. Your stabilized footage is now successfully transferred and edited in Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.